Okay, to replace the center console latch on a 2013 Silverado 2500, remove these 4 Torx screws. I'm going to be using the T20 Torx bit. Okay, now you're going to have to pry off the bottom of the center console lid. Just snaps in place. Okay, next remove the 2 Phillips screws holding the old switch, or at least what's left of it. And this is my part number for my new console latch. Okay, put it in place and replace the 2 Phillips head screws. Okay, next snap the bottom cover back on. Replace the 4 Torx screws. And time for the test. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.